Today's vlog is going to be magic. Howdy everybody, it's Kentucky Ranger here with another review of another thing from Amazon. This time it is the magic strip light. It's from Nexillumi. Get that all in the frame. Nexillumi. Anyhow, my wife Carla, she's been bugging me. She's been wanting a light strip to decorate the office. She wants mood lighting. I don't know. I was like, okay, mood lighting. So I researched and I looked and I thought, this one's cool. Now there's a reason this one's a magic strip light, and you're going to see why. So out of the box, you have this reel, and the reel contains 16 feet of no less than 5,050 LEDs. It's cool it's on a reel. I mean, look at that. And what's funny is you look at the little hole in the middle, it's like a reel-to-reel tape. That's kind of retro. I think that's really cool. But you can see there's all kinds of little circuitry thingies going on. There's a little, where is it? A little IC chip and the LED blocks. There's a lot of stuff going on with this, and one thing about it, it's waterproof, so you can pretty much set it up wherever you want. It's not gonna, a little rain or something. I don't think you would want to put it like under the water in a pool or something like that. But a little bit of rain ain't gonna hurt it. Plus, it's low voltage. It only requires 12 volts, so you could actually wire this in, like, a motorhome or a car. The car, that would be weird. Stick it in your car. And another thing, if you look on the back, you can see that it's rubberized. It's all rubber. It's all encased. And on the back, that blue, that's the protective coating, or whatever you call it. There's tape. There's actually 3M sticky tape. So if you want to permanently put this up somewhere, you can stick it like on a wall or something like that. But I think the reason it comes with a reel is the portability. So, and that's just a little plug-in. And deeper inside the box, you got power supply. Oh, excuse me. Power supply is 12 volt. It's pretty standard. Get this around. Just standard little plug-in. And the cord from the wall to the unit here is approximately 3.2 feet. So you plug it in, and that's just the power supply. Just typical brick power supply. Here's the fun part. You get a little remote control. Now this remote, it has a power button. Then it has a sync lock. And what this does is it lets you sync this if you want 2 or 3 of the same sets together, so they all do exactly the same thing. And W, that means white. If you want the white light, then red, green, and blue. And then the mode, we'll go into the mode. It has 20 non-music modes and 5 music modes, and we'll get into that once I get it plugged in and everything. This turns the music mode on and off. And this off button dims the lights, so you can adjust the brightness. We'll get into all that once I get it hooked up. So bear with me. Let me get this hooked up behind me, and let the party begin.
A few moments later.
Alrighty. I've dimmed the studio lights, so these lights, you can see them better. Right now, this is a white light, but with the remote, excuse me, y'all. Oh, seasonal allergies are already kicking in. But with these three, the red, green, and blue buttons, if you push the red button, I gotta be pointing at the thing. There, turns them red. You hit the green button, turns green, and you hit the blue button, turns blue. Then you can go back to white. Now here's a really cool feature: is this color arrows. This will produce 16 million different colors. So you can start off with a white, and then if you want to switch, you just hit the plus or minus to change the hue of the color. See, now it went to red, but now if I hold this down, see, now it turns to kind of a purple, pinkish, and then it goes lighter, kind of a blue. There, blue. Now it's shifting, kind of a blue-green. Now it's shifting to green. Now it's shifting to kind of a yellow. See what it's doing? I mean, it any color under the sun it'll do. And another thing is, once you set the color, like I did here, you have these mode buttons. Now right now it's static, it's not doing anything. But with this mode button, you push one of these arrows, it switches to the mode. Now there's 20 static modes. So this is the first one. Whee! Okay, ooh, we're going the other way. And ooh, that's a little flashy. Jazz hands. And back the other way. Okay, I think it's, ooh, that's nice. This is kind of a slower marquee. And it goes the other way. So I guess it's 10 functions. It's just one goes clockwise and the other goes counterclockwise. Oh, wait a minute. Ooh, that's cool. Kind of a fade in, fade out. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. Ooh, it is pretty. And it goes the other way. And it goes a little faster. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I like that. Ooh, and the other way. Ooh, I really like that. That is really cool. That is awesome. And the other way. Ooh. Ooh. Pretty. I like that too. That's really pretty. And the other way. I like that one. That's really cool. So depending on what mood you're in, the static light. I like that. That's so cool. Okay, I think we just started back to the other. Well, no, yeah, okay. Ooh, that's pretty too. Okay, now we're back to static. Here is the really, really cool function. Is this little music button. And like I was saying, this lock button, if you have more than one set, like you got 2 or 3 sets of these, you push and hold that lock button, and what it does is it locks them all together. It syncs them all together so that all the sets work in unison. I think that's cool. I only have this one set. If I had 2, I'd show you that function. But I've only got the one. But here is the really cool party trick. Okay, down here where it's got the little music, Little music doohickey. Okay, when you turn that on, lights go out. Now what you have to do is you have to start the music. Oh, hey, it's picking my voice up. Hello, hello, hello. Watch this. This is so cool. Okay, now you can change the mode. Remember, there's 5 music modes, so let's go through them. That looks kind of trippy. Ooh, that's cool. I like that. So it's 2, 3. Ooh, strobe. Wow. That's cool. This is 4. That is cool. Ooh. That is pretty. Now see the color that I selected, see kind of orangey? It keeps that color. So whatever color you start out, that's what it'll do. Unless you're in one of these modes. I like that. That is so cool. So let's see. You can probably go to, yeah, okay, there's blue. Now let's go back. And so I guess it just changes colors. I think some of these modes, the music modes, it kind of kicks in. I don't know, it's really cool. That is cool. Okay, let me try a different song. Because you don't have to have heavy beat songs. You can have just, you know, regular cool songs. Here's a cool one. I like that. Okay, 2. Ooh, pretty. Rainbows. Like that. Now it's kind of trippy. It's awesome. It's really, really cool. I like that. And then, let's turn the music off. But you can see, you get the idea how that works. Okay, now when you turn it off, you hit the off button. It goes back to static. Now, let me turn it to white so you can see. You keep hitting this off button repeatedly. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's 5. See, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 brightness settings on here. Yeah, that's really cool. I mean, this is really awesome. Look at that. Like I said, and you can hit the color shift button. Whoops, I'm sorry, that's the mode button. Yeah. Now let's get it back to, let's see how to do that. Well, let me, the music mode, now we'll put it back. Well, that's not work good. I didn't mean to get it. There, okay. So apparently you hit the white button, that sets it back to static. I hit the mode button. But like if you're in blue, but you want a little different color shift, you just hit one of the arrow buttons. So now it's kind of a blue-green. And the mode, now when you're in the static mode, when you're not in the music mode, it does, unless you're doing the rainbow one. Some of these modes, it keeps that color that you've chosen. You see, like that one. Okay, the chasing. See, that's the same color that I just had. So I think that's really cool. So that's, I mean, that's about it. I just really think this is cool. This is really awesome. Carla's going to have a ball with it. Easy to set up. It's got the little reel. Like I say, you can tape it. It's got sticky tape all the way across it. So you can tape it up on the wall or the ceiling or wherever you want to tape it. Links in the description if you want it. It's yeah, $31.99. It's 32 bucks and 16 feet of the ribbon. I mean, there's a lot of it hanging down on the floor. You can see, I mean, I'm surrounded with it, and there's still plenty left over. It's 12 volts, so it's safe. It's waterproof, so that's safe. So it's not going to electrocute anybody. Plus, it's low voltage, 12 volt. 16 million colors and all of the cool functions. I mean, look at that. I like that. I think we'll end the video with that. That's pretty cool looking. I want to give a shout out to Audio Library. That's where I got these copyright free songs. I'll have a link in the description to their YouTube channel. They have tons of music that you can use on videos, and they're copyright free, so you don't have to worry about flags and strikes and any of that kind of stuff. You can actually use it to create good videos with some background music. Nexillumi magic, what's it called? Magic strip light? Magic strip light. I think I would have called it magic light strip. That's just me. Awesome. 5 Rangers. This is definitely 5 Rangers. Carl's gonna have a ball with this. I don't know where we're gonna put it up. I might do another video after we figure out where she's gonna set it up so y'all can see what it looks like. But God bless y'all for tuning in, and who knows what craziness is gonna come out next time you see me. But this is really, really cool. $31.99, so 32 bucks. Party in a box. So God bless everybody. Take care, and we'll see you on the next Ranger reviews. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Wear clean underwear. Oh, I'm having fun with these. Yeah, God bless you all, and thanks for tuning in. We'll see y'all later. Bye.